Okay guys, so in this video, sorry for a little mess here, but replacing the brake pedal pad. It's the part number. Okay, this one, it's all torn apart. Is it worn out? Yes, I usually wear gloves when doing this, but this should be a quick fix, quick replacement. So it's the new one. Let's see, made in Germany. I might need two hands for that. Just gotta kind of install it. Try to make sure that it's not pinched, the rubber is not pinched anywhere. It's going. Don't you guys like that fresh smell of new rubber? All right, good. So, she's all in, and then what I was trying to make sure is that, as you can see on the old one, the brake pedal itself has to go under the rubber right there. So I had to make sure it goes under. Somebody, I don't know why it's torn here, probably because of age, or maybe somebody didn't install it right. This is actually original. It says Mercedes right there. Mercedes logo. Yep, so that's how you do that, and I hope you guys liked the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Alright guys, I finally removed my stupid steering wheel cover. There it is. So I don't have it anymore, and actually, yeah, it's not perfect on the top, but I like it. You know, it's got to stay like this, because that was kind of ghetto with that steering wheel cover. So I like it the way it is, so I'm gonna keep it that way. Alright guys, today we're gonna replace steering dampener, made by Miley. Yeah, it's pretty easy. A couple bolts and a couple nuts. Let's get this done. No, I don't need anything there. Alright, so here it is. This piece goes here. Yeah. So that's what I'm going to be changing now. Let's remove the nut and the bolt here, and the same on the other side. 17mm, it's going to come out. Still actually has pressure, but much. I don't know, this brand is some Chinese brand.
I'm glad you're doing alright.
So, this wasn't expensive. Bought it. Let's put it on. Alright, there you guys have it. Brand new and installed. Now, this is what I did. I put silicone paste on them, prevent the rubber boots from cracking, so it's a good idea to do it this way. Look at that thing. That thing is showing a belt. That's no good. So this is how fixing the center console illumination looks like. Yeah, so my center console wasn't lighting up at night. Right now if I press it, as you can see, the bulbs come on. So I'm gonna keep working on it. I'm not gonna film too much because actually I already made a video on how to fix the center console illumination on a 123, so I'm gonna leave the link down below. But for now I'm just trying to figure this thing out. As you can see, I have the center console out and all the other goodies. So yeah, I'll show you the final results. I'm gonna keep working on it. I still have to figure out my transmission shifter doesn't light up and all the other stuff, and I'm not sure about these guys too. Alright guys, so this is a quick video. I was gonna show you. I reconnected everything. As you can see, everything is back in place. Center console, okay, all this stuff, the cluster. It's kind of dark right now. Still have to reinstall those, the kick panel right there. But right here I have, you know, floor mats and all that stuff. This is all reinstalled, the center console. So what I was going to show you is I'm going to turn the light off. And this is actually all together, back together. The ashtray is working as well. So I'm going to shut this light off. I'm going to show you. I fixed my illumination, guys. So right now when I drive at night, I can actually see everything and all my buttons pretty much. Except this guy, I still have to figure this guy out. Because I think when you drive at night, it has to be lit up, but it's not lit up, the hazard switch. Only when I press it, then it's like lights up like that. And then what else is gonna show you? Yeah, this lights up. So anyways, I'm gonna stop talking. I'm gonna actually shut this light off right there. I'm gonna turn my lights on right there. Oh shoot, this GoPro actually really sucks. It doesn't do the justice. But I was just gonna kind of show you that this is working, my climate control, and that ashtray light is working. These lights are working. Wow, that's actually pretty bad. I don't know why this GoPro like sucks at night, like, but it actually really sucks pretty bad, guys. But all of this actually lights up pretty good, and you can see it actually pretty good at night. It's just that the GoPro just really sucks, and the cluster lights up too. I don't know why it's so dark. Because I can see it pretty good, but it's just the GoPro just like doesn't do the justice at night. That's crazy. Well, you guys will have to take my word for it. Maybe I'll just try to take a video on my phone later, but it actually all lights up. You can see that's the ashtray lights up. Here, I actually help you out with this. You can see right now, kinda. Ooh, like this lights up. This lights up right there. And now this, the window switches. Oh, right there, they light up, and this kind of lights up, the Prindle transmission shifter, but it's a little dimmer than anything else. So Anyways, guys, I'm just really excited and happy that this is all fixed right now. I can move on to other things and just keep working on my other stuff. Oh yeah, and I forgot to show you the radio as well right there. Yeah, the radio lights up too and everything works. So that's pretty cool. Stay tuned for more videos, and yeah, I'll see you in the next one.